I'm trying to do something new. Yeah, yeah. I'm trying to do something new. Yeah, yeah. I'm tired of seeing the same people everywhere I go. Tired of doing the same shit every day. I'm tired of singing the same song, singing about the same song, singing about the same thing I do every day. I'm tired of singing about the same girl every day. I'm tired of doing the shit every day. I'm tired of working in the same old factory, doing the same shit all over again. I'm tired of that shit, man. I don't need that shit. Every day is the same shit. I flow on the beat like, what should I do? I gotta benefit every day, gotta do the same shit, man. I need something new, a new culture. Go to a new country, Power Ranger. Need a new television, a new house, a new car. Move like a man. Need a new girl, or maybe say the same girl, just fuck her in a different position. Something we never try before. Experimental. If we fuck on the bed, then we fuck on the floor. Everybody want to talk, I'm so hardcore. If we fuck anywhere, we fuck in the shower. Damn, it's always the same shit. Try to get some new shit. Try to move like Titanic. Enough of them more people nick. Every day the same shit, man. I need something new, like a new culture. Everybody want to talk like whatever. Hey, this is my song, like a song one. Maybe she want a new man. She want a man from the Caribbean. She say me, I'm tired of a Canadian. Let me like a man. Everybody want to talk like Beanie Man. Then what is a cinnamon? Yo, what up, man? You know it's your boy on that.